So I just came across WeKnora, this framework for document understanding powered by LLM. It's like having a smart assistant for retrieving info from complex documents.
Really, that sounds intriguing. How does it actually work? I mean, what makes it stand out?
It uses a modular architecture, combining different methods like semantic vector indexing and intelligent retrieval. It's all about context-aware answers.
Context aware. That's fascinating. So it doesn't just pull random info but understands the user's intent.
Exactly, it follows the retrieval augmented generation paradigm. It combines relevant document chunks with the model's reasoning.
But how effective is that? I mean, can it really provide high-quality answers?
Surprisingly, yes, it can generate answers that are quite context sensitive. Think of it like asking a friend who knows the topic well.
Interesting analogy. But can it handle different document formats, like PDFs or images?
Absolutely, it extracts structured content from all sorts of formats, including images, which is pretty impressive.
That makes it super versatile. I wonder about its security features, though. How does it keep data safe?
Good question. It has built-in login authentication and recommends deploying on private networks to prevent leaks.
Okay, but what if someone needs to use it in a public setting? Is it still secure?
That's tricky. While it can be used publicly, the recommendation is to set up proper firewalls and access controls.
I see, so it demands some responsibility from the user. What about its application scenarios?
It's designed for a range of uses like enterprise knowledge management, academic research, and even legal reviews.
Wow, that's a broad scope. I can see it saving time in research. But what's its edge in legal contexts?
It can retrieve specific contract clauses or regulatory policies quickly, enhancing compliance efficiency.
That's a game changer. But wouldn't it be limited to the documents it has access to?
True, but it continuously learns from the documents it processes, so its understanding grows over time.
So it gets smarter with use. That's a cool feature, but how user-friendly is it?
It's designed to be intuitive with a web interface and standardized APIs, making it accessible to non-tech users.
That's a relief. But do you think it might oversimplify complex queries?
It could, yes, balancing between simplicity and context is tough. Users may need to guide it sometimes.
Good point, so it's not a magic bullet, just a really powerful tool.
Exactly, it's best seen as an enhancement rather than a replacement for critical thinking.
I appreciate that perspective, and its flexibility in deployment is a huge plus.
Totally, it can be set up locally or in a Docker environment, which is fantastic for developers.
What about contributors? Is this an open source project?
Yes, they encourage contributions, whether it's bug fixes or new features, which keeps it evolving.
That's awesome. Community-driven projects can lead to rapid improvements and innovation.
Exactly, collaboration can propel its capabilities, especially in such a dynamic field.
I wonder how it handles feedback from users. Is there a process for that?
Yes, users can report issues or suggest features, which helps prioritize enhancements.
That's crucial. But I hope they also disseminate information about changes effectively.
They do have a changelog. It's vital for keeping everyone in the loop about updates.
Nice. I can only imagine how valuable this would be in a fast-paced work environment.
Definitely, it could streamline many processes, especially in data-heavy fields.
But I wonder about its scalability. Can it handle a large volume of documents?
That's part of its design. It's built for scalability, adapting to increasing data loads.
Great, so this isn't just a quick fix, but something that can grow with the user's needs.
Exactly, it's like building a library that evolves as more knowledge is added.
Love that metaphor. It's like having a knowledgeable librarian at your service.
And who wouldn't want that? It makes research and retrieval so much less daunting.
For sure, but I still wonder about the limits of its reasoning capabilities.
That's a fair concern. It might struggle with ambiguous queries relying on user input.
Right? So while it's powerful, it's not infallible. Users need to engage thoughtfully.
Exactly, it's all about collaboration between the user and the AI.
So what's the bottom line here? Is WeKnora worth trying out?
If you deal with complex documents often, I'd say give it a shot. The potential is huge.
I'm sold. I love tools that enhance efficiency and understanding. Let's keep an eye on its development.
Absolutely, it'll be exciting to see how it evolves with user input and community collaboration.